Okay, so today's topic was prep turns. Last of them, yes. The first one is the one that I want you guys to be able to do fully, and then after you feel comfortable with the first one, do the second one. I need to turn this off, sorry. Okay, the first one, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. I open. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. I prep. 3, 4. Yes, I do a turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how the follows continue to rotate because I'm rotating the follow. Yes, and then I do 1. So follows, how do you know it's a face loop instead of a rock step? 1, 2, 3, 4. How would you know that? My hand position is facing up. So when you see this, it's going up. You see, oh, he's trying to do a face loop. He's not trying to do this. Because this is directly to the side, forward. This would be just a rock step. And I can also change the hand at the end. But I want to decorate first. Face loop and catch. Yes? By the time I catch, I want to present my other hand. So I have right over left. Then I do the prep turn. This is the most important step right here. The prep turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Regardless if I'm here or if I'm here. What I'm looking for is for her to be there on 8. So do this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's what I'm looking for. Yes? If that's established, I can do either or. Okay? But if it's not, then I'll try to help the follow and do the first one. Which is after this. Even if I already did this, I'm like, ooh, I don't think the follow is ready. Then I just, 1, I do a basic. And then I go into the unwind thing. Yes? But what I'm looking for is this. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. I could have done the second one. I'm doing the first one first. 8 and 1. Yes? Do the second one. 1, 2, 3. I open. 5, 7, basic. 1, 2. Raise the hand. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just like with the turn, right turn leads, but with a tap. Yes, leads. 1, 2, 3, and tap. Then we do 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, if the follow is not here on 8, then I wouldn't do this. I would stop here. Don't do 8. Yes, if she's like this, she's not ready. Or even tap with the left. She's definitely not ready for the second one. Yes? So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Leads. 1. Not just 1. You have to rotate her frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, if I do it from this side. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 7, 8. Yes? So when I do the copation, or this step, prep turn, 1 leads, you have to go 1, in place, tap. Because you're taking care of the follow. Yes? You don't want to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You did not take care of your follow. Yes? So I just do my first step, in place. I'm watching her. Yeah? So don't move a lot. And then do this. Counterbalance each other. Don't do this. Side, see? We're like facing away. She's gonna fall. We gotta face each other. Yes? All right, guys, good job.